By the end of this module, you will have a basic understanding on smoke extract application, how it works traditionally, and the Danfoss solution, including fire mode. The key benefits of using a VLT HVAC drive in smoke extract systems. This is a life safety application. The design should be carried out in conjunction with design professionals familiar with national fire protection codes. Let me start the module with a brief discussion of smoke extract application. Smoke extract systems are used in large buildings to remove smoke from the building in the event of fire. They also prevent the smoke from circulating from the contaminated or smoke-filled zones to uncontaminated zone. The system interacts with the building's ventilation system and is triggered by a dedicated controller that is integrated with the fire alarm system. We shall now look at a traditional smoke extract system. Traditional smoke extract systems use separate dedicated fans and a damper system to remove the smoke from the building. The smoke extraction fans are dedicated for smoke removal and are activated once the fire alarm system detects the presence of smoke or fire in the building. When CAV or VAV systems are present, the existing ductwork can be used to remove the smoke to the outside, while the supply fan dampers are closed to prevent the contamination of other zones. Air handling unit fans are shut off, and the smoke dampers can be opened or closed to channel the smoke-filled air to outside. Let me show you how this is done. Now, click on the No Smoke button to view the working of the system in traditional method. When there is no smoke, the smoke fan damper is closed, and the smoke removal fans are shut off. The air handling unit fans are running at a constant speed, taking fresh air in, with the supply fan damper open. Click on the With Smoke button to view the working of the system in traditional method. When the smoke is present, the air handling unit fans are shut off, and the supply fan damper is closed. The smoke removal fans are running at a constant speed to remove the smoke to the outside, with the smoke fan damper open. You have seen that in the traditional method, that operation is complex, with a requirement of separate dedicated fans for smoke extraction. How can we make the operation of the system simple? That is where Danfoss solution comes into play. The operation of smoke extract system can be simplified by using a VLT HVAC drive with fire mode option and vane axial supply fans that can be reversed. The additional dedicated fans for smoke extract are no longer required to operate the system because the system vane axial supply fan is now capable of carrying out the same function. During the smoke extraction operation, the fire alarm system sends a digital input signal to the VLT HVAC drive, fire mode is activated, and the fan stops momentarily. The local control panel of the VLT HVAC drive display flashes fire mode active. In the fire mode operation, the VLT HVAC drive is programmed to run the fan in either the forward or reverse direction at a constant speed. The VLT HVAC drive restarts the supply fan in the reverse direction and runs the fan at the predetermined exhaust air requirements. In the fire mode, the VLT HVAC drive will ignore warning and alarm conditions and continue operating the fan until failure. A feature often referred to as run to death. If desired, fire mode can be stopped with a digital input or serial communication override command. when the fire alarm system is deactivated and safe condition exists in the building. The digital input signal to the VLT HVAC drive is removed, and the drive stops the fan. The VLT HVAC drive will restart the fan in the forward direction, and operation will return to normal conditions from before the fire alarm condition. If the VLT HVAC drive ignored warning and alarms in the fire mode run to death condition, the local control panel will display a warning where the conditions were exceeded. A trained Danfoss service technician will inspect the drive to determine if damage has occurred to it during fire mode operation. If no damage has occurred, the warning display will be deactivated. Thus, in Danfoss solution, when there is no smoke, the supply fan runs in forward direction to take the fresh air in. When there is smoke, the supply fan is reversed to smoke mode with an increased speed to remove the smoke to the outside. You will find that, in the Danfoss solution, the system becomes simple by using a VLT HVAC drive with fire mode operation and vane axial fans that can be reversed as compared to the traditional method. Let us summarize the main benefits of using a VLT HVAC drive in smoke extract systems. The operation of smoke extract system can be simplified by using a VLT HVAC drive with fire mode option and vane axial supply fans that can be reversed. In the fire mode operation, the VLT HVAC drive is programmed to run the fan in either the forward or reverse direction at a constant speed. Stairwell pressurization is another application which uses fire mode. The purpose of stairwell pressurization is to provide a smoke-free evacuation path during a fire. Smoke must be controlled using a pressure difference across a door. Tunnels and subway stations are other possible applications that use fire mode. Before ending this module, let me give you a brief summary of what we learned. In traditional method, we have seen that the use of separate dedicated fans for operations makes the system complex. But we saw that in Danfoss solution, the operation of smoke extract system can be simplified by using a VLT HVAC drive with fire mode option and vane axial supply fans that can be reversed. We also saw the key benefits of using a VLT HVAC drive